Alzheimer's and dementia, both preventable and depending on the stage, reversible. Listen to me. If my mother or father had dementia or Alzheimer's, I would exhaust every option for them. People are arguing online about how they have the best solution while trashing everybody else. Help the damn patient. I've dealt with Alzheimer's and dementia more times than I can count. Here's what I've done. I'm giving you a solution. What you do with it is entirely up to you. The amyloid hypothesis is the greatest scientific BS in modern neurology. Pharma spent billions of dollars trying to wash away amyloid plaques, and the drugs failed because amyloid and tau tangles aren't the damn problem. When the brain detects a threat, it releases amyloid beta as this protective mechanism, which acts like glue to trap the invaders or seal off the damaged tissue. And tau tangles, neurons have long tracts called microtubules that transport nutrients from the cell body to the synapse. Tau stabilizes these tracts. With insulin resistance and inflammation, tau detaches, it loses its shape and it clumps together. Tau tangles are the indicator of metabolic collapse, not the cause. Endless clinical studies show terrible correlation between the amount of plaque in a brain and the level of cognitive decline. You can have a brain full of plaques and still speak clearly, and you can have a brain with very few plaques and be severely demented. Alzheimer's is type 3 diabetes because the pathophysiology is identical. 2019 study, Delamonte and Wands in Alzheimer's and dementia proved brain insulin resistance precedes amyloid beta accumulation by years, even decades. So follow me. Pancreas pumps out insulin, neurons become insulin resistant, glucose can't enter the cells, neurons starve for fuel, mitochondria collapse, autophagy fails, amyloid beta and tau accumulates. 2018 study by Talbot showed that people with insulin resistance, listen to this, have a 4.6-fold increased risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. And insulin resistance sets off NNMT, but nobody's talking about that. 2020 study by Kai in Nature Cell Biology showed hyperinsulinemia spools up NNMT by 340%. Do you know what NNMT does? It's a metabolic terrorist. It consumes NAD plus and converts it into garbage. When NAD plus is depleted, ATP, sirtuins, DNA repair, autophagy, all tank. The exact conditions for Alzheimer's and dementia. And here's what every med student and doctor are too arrogant to pay attention to. Watch. Insulin resistance, NNMT overactivation, NAD plus depletion, mitochondrial failure, neuroinflammation, amyloid beta and tau accumulation, Alzheimer's. And the brain needs specific nutrients. They're deficient in all of them. Choline, B12, DHA, carnitine, taurine, creatine. Take this and use it. Carnivore stops the insulin spikes. 5-amino handles NNMT. NAD plus gives mitochondria what's missing. MOTC handles metabolic repair and insulin resistance. BPC repairs the blood-brain barrier and handles neurotransmitters. And the rest is in the research. Comment brain for the research playbook. I've got to go. Never miss.